Welcome to Tough Talk Media, where real conversations shape real impact. Join us as we dig deeper into thought-provoking perspectives that challenge, inform, and inspire action. Subscribe today and be part of the conversation.
And on the sidelines of that is Nnamdi Kanu's case, who has now decided to enter a no-case submission, saying there's no need for a defense. From where you stand, is that a strategic legal move? Because we understand also that the judge in this case has advised, strongly advised against that.
On the Nnamdi Kanu matter, I had cause to make a post on social media to say that, look, I think it is a risky gamble. I don't understand the strategy of his defense at this time. There are two options really open to him at this point. Because the issue of whether he has a case to answer or not has been settled, subject to an appellate review. The court has ruled that he has a case to answer. So he has to put up his defense. Either he enters his defense or he rests his case on the case of the prosecution. But to say that the issue of jurisdiction will be recontested, which the Supreme Court in some way seems to have taken a position, of course the party has the right to raise objection at any time. And the law is that no matter how stupid, no matter how frivolous an objection is, a court has to entertain it and rule on it one way or the other. So I believe that the Honorable Justice Omoto show that my lord is going to rule on this his latest objection. But I think it may be more expedient for him to open his case and give evidence in his trial. But this is not for me to decide, because he has fired his counsel, led by former senior advocate of Nigeria, Gado and Gabi SN. I'm not privy to the reasons for that, but I'm just saying that I do not understand the strategy at this point. It seems like a risky gamble to me. Because to now leave the evidence of the prosecution unchallenged might be risky. That is not an admission of guilt. The law remains that the learned judge must still examine the evidence of the prosecution to see that all the elements of the offense are proved beyond reasonable doubt.
Stay informed, stay inspired, stay tuned to Tough Talk Media, where real conversations shape real impact. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking discussions. Thanks for watching.